In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your Wix website with a password. Locking your website with a password is a great way to ensure that only chosen viewers can access specific content. Whether you're creating a members-only page or prepping your site for a special reveal, a password provides the security and exclusivity your site might need. Let's dive into exactly how you can achieve this in just a few steps using the Wix editor. First things first, open your Wix editor. Once you're there, you'll want to shift your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Do you see the icon labeled Pages and Menu? That's the one we're interested in. Click on that icon. This will reveal a list of your site's pages. Now, scroll through the list until you find the page you wish to protect with a password. Once you've located it, there's a little trick to accessing the settings. Hover your cursor over the name of the page. As you do this, notice the three-dot icon that appears next to the page name. Give those dots a click. By doing this, you open up a menu with several options, but for our purposes, you'll want to select Settings. The Settings option will take you into a more detailed menu specifically for your chosen page. Here, we're looking for the Permissions tab. It might be tempting to get distracted by the other options, but stay focused so we can get that page secured quickly. Once you're in the Permissions section, you'll notice a setting labeled Password Holders. Click on this option. This is where the magic happens. Now, it's your moment to set a password. Think about a strong password, something that's not too obvious, but easy enough for your intended visitors to remember. Once you've decided on the password, type it into the provided field. Double check for any typos because we want to make sure everything is perfect. That's it. You've just locked your page with a password. Now, let's ensure everything is functioning as it should. When you publish your site and attempt to view this page, a prompt should now appear, requesting the password before granting access. Test it out to ensure that it works as planned. This step is crucial because it confirms that your security settings are active and properly configured. And there you have it. Your Wix web page is secured with a password. This feature not only adds an additional layer of privacy, but also allows you to tailor access to specific content based on your audience needs. Remember to share the password only with those you want to provide access to, and periodically update it if security is a concern. Thanks for tuning in and happy website building.